Hey everyone, welcome to Spartan V for all your hair, fitness, lifestyle and grooming tips. And today's video is all about a new hair system. So today's video is sponsored by superhairpieces.com. All the details are going to be down below in the description. So let's get started. So I've received my hair system in a box just like this. I've already taken the netting and the moulding out purely because I was just having a look and curious before doing the filming. But yeah, so I have gone for a slightly different colour. This is an off black, and I've gone for darkest brown. So it might look a little bit off to my hair colour, but once I get it on, get it washed, cut and everything like that, then you know it's going to look a lot different. So I've gone for 8mm poly thin skin base, and yeah, it's 115% density at the front, 100% everywhere else, so I still get a bit of nice thickness at the front and a more natural look all round on the sides, which is actually something I'm quite happy about, because I find that this system I had, it was too dense. It was 115% all over, so this is going to give me, you know, something a bit more natural around the rest of my head. It does say on the website it's not really one to expose the front hairline, but I might just do a little bit of plucking. I have it longer than this, but it's still going to be a short style. So yeah, I got this within 3 days. It came from North America, so I'm based in Surrey in the UK. So within 3 days of ordering, that's actually really impressive. This is a stock system because purely I'm doing it where I'm going to cut it all down. I'm actually going to the barber's today to get it cut, so I'm not cutting it myself, which is going to be a nice treat. So yeah, you know, which is really impressive in regards of delivery time. It's 100%, you know, human hair, full Remy hair, feels really soft. So I'm actually really looking forward to getting this one on today and seeing how it looks. But yeah, so far so good. Let's get on to the next step. So that's the old hair system off. Just giving it a quick clean. I still need to do it all properly. But for this one, because I want to make sure it goes on really well, I'm actually going to make a new template for my head so I can get a really good fit on this. The other one, it was just a tiny bit smaller, so I had to stretch it a bit too much, which I don't like doing because you've got a risk of damaging it. So I'm going to do a new template for this one and get it spot on. So I've got the system now on. I must admit I am really impressed with the quality, considering it's something they say don't have back. Obviously this is pre-cut, so I'm going to get it cut quite short, but considering, yeah, the density, this is really nice hair. I'd definitely say it's better quality than my previous system. Yeah, so let's see after the cut and once it's all done how it's all going to look. So here it is, post-cut hair system done. I must admit I'm pretty impressed. Feels like a really nice hair system, quite nice and soft. It's definitely got a different feel compared to my old system, but I really like it, and I feel like I can get a good style out of it. I might go a little bit shorter, I don't know yet, but you know, it sits really well on my head. So yeah, superhairpieces.com, I'm quite impressed. You know, and they do custom orders as well, guaranteed within 3 months. So you got the option there. And just to advise you as well, since Hair Direct came out of business, they have upped their stock, so they are prepared to take on any customers from Hair Direct, just so you're aware. Got my hair cut by the barber, which I'm super impressed with. Premier Cuts in Addleston. Absolutely super job. Well done, Simon. But yeah, that's the end of the video. And I have all the details of superhairpieces.com in the description if there's any information you want to know. So I have the stock hair system I'm using and a few other bits as well. But otherwise, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and more content coming soon. Thank you.